हाय, मैं हूँ ज्योति और मैं बनाऊंगी इस हफ्ते की न्यू वीकली रेसिपी। तो चलिए देखते हैं इस वीक की न्यू रेसिपी में क्या है। आई हैव कनेक्टेड माई फोन टू द स्मार्ट लाइफ ऐप। लेट्स क्लिक क्लाउड रेसिपीज, न्यू टैब, and today's new weekly recipe is nice cream. Here's the description and the ingredients. Let's get started. Ingredient list के मुताबिक मैंने अपना ingredients tray ready कर लिया है. In the first step, it says we have to dry roast quinoa. For roasting of quinoa, I'll take 4 tablespoons of quinoa, which is washed and soaked properly. You have to take this measuring cup out. Now I'll click OK. Now it will roast it for 10 minutes and I'll get the notification when it's done. In my Smart Life app, I got the notification the roasting is over and it guided me to the next step. In the steps 3, it says we have to remove this roasted quinoa and attach the multifunction blade. I have removed the roasted quinoa in a bowl and also replaced the saute blade with multifunction blade. I'll add 300 grams of banana. I'll add peanut butter, which is unsweetened cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, honey, and vanilla extract. The blending is done and we have to freeze this mixture at least for 4 hours. After 4 hours of freezing, now it looks ready to serve.